We'll guide you through how to organize files in Google Drive. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to drive.google.com and log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on the main page, you'll see a list of all your files and folders. To get started with organizing, you need to create folders. Click on the plus sign labeled New in the top left corner and select Folder from the drop-down menu. Give your folder a name that makes sense for the files you plan to store in it, maybe something like Work, Personal, or Projects. Once your folder is created, you can start dragging and dropping files into it. Simply click on a file and drag it over to the folder, then release it to drop it in. This is a great way to keep related files together. If you have a lot of files, you can use the search bar at the top to quickly find files you want to organize. Just type in the name of the file, and when you find it, drag it into the appropriate folder. You can also color code your folders for easier visual organization. Right-click on the folder, select Change Color, and pick a color that stands out to you. This way, you can quickly identify folders at a glance. If you need to organize shared files, go to the Shared with Me section from the left-hand menu, and you can create folders here as well to keep everything tidy. Remember, keeping your Google Drive organized helps you find files faster and increases your productivity. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.